Hi, this is Ron Periver with Gemba Academy, and in this video I'm going to walk you through using our free Takt time calculator. Now we're going to link to this actual calculator below this video, so you can link over to our website and download this calculator and use it however you'd like. But what I want to show you just how to use it once you do get it open. And so the as the instructions say here, the yellow cells are what we can edit, and then these gray cells right here, these ones have formulas in them and they've been protected so the formulas don't get messed up, and they're all automatically populated. So let's just walk through a scenario. Let's say that we have an operation that runs on 2 shifts. And let's say that each shift runs, well, I don't know, I'm just going to make up numbers here, 9 hours. And let's say that they have a 30-minute break, and let's say they have 30 minutes for lunches. I'm just totally making these up, so go ahead and put real numbers in for your organization. Planned downtime, let's say at the beginning of the shift, they do some maintenance for 10 minutes. And let's say that we have a customer demand per day of, I don't know, 500 pieces. How's that? Well, when we do that, you'll see that the calculator automatically does your available time for shift. In this case, it's 540 minutes. We have net working time per shift of 470 minutes. So basically, it's just subtracting all these, the break time and the downtime, planned downtime. We convert all this into seconds, and then the takt time, which again is net available time over demand, touchdown, T over D, time over demand, works out to be 113 seconds per piece, and or 1.9 minutes per piece. Again, you can come up here and you can manipulate this however you'd like. Let's say they actually only work 8.5 hours, but on this one it's 20 minutes, and let's say their demand jumps up to 650 units. Now our takt time is automatically recalculated for us. Again, follow the links below this video over to our blog, and you'll be able to download this calculator for free. And also, if you want more information on things such as takt time, value stream mapping, just lean topics in general, be sure to go to gembaacademy.com. We got over 1,000 videos at the time of this recording, at least. And we have an entire course on value stream mapping, which is called Transforming Your Value Streams. We'll go ahead and we'll link to that as well below this video. Anyhow, thanks for your attention, and hopefully this calculator adds some value.